This one is GT. This is the look. So I will show you the sport model so you can understand about this car. You see the grille, this all have a chrome work. And now let us see the GT Sport, which is a new launch. This is the model GT Sport, newly launched. You can understand now the difference. All front grills are in black colors. See, and GT badge is now in red color. So this is the look. And from this side you see the tire alloy, and also the badging GT is in red color. Keyless entry. This is the GT Sport model, which is launched newly, and in this you see all the features are still the same, like cruise control and control on steering, and wireless charger, automatic transmission, DSG, and 10-inch screen, which is good screen, 6 airbags. And in GT Sport the change is also hood is black. You see, full hood in black color. So black color, everything in sport model. Leather seat also black. So everything is black in this auto. And let's see here. Yeah, chair. Both the chair are automatic. So this is something different in GT. This is the interior. So this is the look from here. You see here. So this is GT Sport model. Really beautiful, and in black color it really look amazing. Look at this. So let us see from the back side what changes are there in this black color GT Sport. Back side also the logo. This is now in black color, and GT red color badging. So these are the changes in GT Sport model. New launch, really beautiful. Let us see from this side. Yeah, this is really beautiful. Let us start the car, and yeah, so these are the controls. Here are lights like this. So overall, oh my god, this is the starting GT Volkswagen. Let us see the steering, how it works. Cancel, back. I think something is there. So this is the thing. Let us close this. This is the inner look for GT Sport. Here also the work is in red strip, and here on the leather also the work in red thread. So this is now GT Sport new launch in India. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, 150 horsepower. German technology, DSG transmission, GT Volkswagen Sport. Thank you so much for watching.